Check. 1, 2.
What's going on, people? We're here at PCG, Platinum City Gaming. On our stream right now, we have Hammer Boss versus Chicken Wing. Hammer Boss doing a decent job right now. I just got into this, so bear with me as I try and figure out what's going on. Hammer Boss not making it back. It's down 1-1, and if you can see, Chicken Wing is... What's up? Okay, cool. Sorry about that. Van's moving. Headsets around. Okay, cool, cool. All right, I'm secluded. They locked me in. Look at this. Look at this. They locked me in, dude. There's a curtain. Yeah, they locked me in. I got locked in, Rabbit. It's fine, dude. It's all good. Oh man. But yeah, guys, we just started the Super Smash Bros. Melee bracket. There are a couple of different matches going on right now. I think we have like 4 or 5 setups going on at a time. Hammer Boss taking game 1 with the Knee of Justice. I gotta figure out what Alright. We got some character switches going on here. Mickey, he went Fox. Alright, so Hammer Boss switches to Fox, I believe. Yeah, Hammer Boss is Fox, and Chicken Wing is regular Link. Hammer Boss used to be a Fox main, but switched, so he got the Falcon. Dude, I feel so weird. I'm like trapped right now. Back to the match. Hammer Boss doing some stuff, some dash attacks. Get up attack not really optimal. That up B was alright. Probably should use that at a higher %, but we'll give both these guys a break. Chicken Wing, I think, is his first time to a melee. That was the like slowest wave shine I've ever seen, but it's fine, dude. Not following up with that up air. 2 up smashes in a row. Good up air by Hammer Boss, connecting the second hit to it to take out Chicken Wing's first stock. Oh, you can see Rabbit right behind them all. We got the usual crowd here. We got Mizuki, VP, Rabbit, Moku, Hammer Boss, Slam, Quack. Yeah, so we got a decent crowd here. I'm not playing this week. Why not, right? Just pay venue fee. I don't have to throw any money away. Because I never win. Most I've made from here is $1. And I still have that $1. Oh, I found it. Sorry, I'm trying to put the arms down on this chair. Hammer Boss down a stock versus regular Link just standing there, kind of doesn't opt for the jump. Lasers. Jeez, I can't talk today. Up smash. Really farming for this. Good up. Is this the right one? I don't know. I'm hoping. Well, because I saw a wave shine, so I'm going to assume that Hammer Boss is Fox, unless Chicken Wing is super good at Melee and didn't tell anyone, and he's going to take the tournament. Hammer Boss SDing. Come on. Hammer Boss down one stock. Chicken Wing at 47%. 2 forward tilts in a row. Hammer Boss trying to opt for those full hops. Up airs. Good up smash. Does not kill. Chicken Wing though, 2 lower percent. Link's actually a very heavy character, which is kind of why he doesn't suck, but it's why he fails a couple of times because he's such a heavy character. Characters like Sheik can chain grab him. Anyone that like can chain grab will chain grab him. That's a sad story for all the low tiers. Hammer Boss at 114%. Off to the side B. Almost side B's off the stage. I would have cried. Doesn't opt for the back air, but instead the down air. Gives Chicken Wing all that stage presence. Just lets him walk up, and the forward smash by Hammer Boss, the up smash, takes game 2. And that's game. Hammer Boss did play Fox. Chicken Wing now in loser's bracket.